Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I want to show you how to bypass family link protection on your Honor 50 device. So at the very beginning you need to open Settings application, then scroll down and choose Google. Choose Manage your Google account. Choose Get Started. Scroll right and choose Data and Privacy. Scroll down, choose Delete your Google account. Here enter your password, then choose Next. Scroll down, choose I understand. Scroll down again, choose I understand again, and tap on Delete your account. Wait a while, and your Google account and all its data have been deleted. But now we can restore our account. To do this, as you can see, all my apps are unlocked, and now I can log in my Google account and recover it. To do this, open Play Market and log into your deleted account. In my case, it will be HardReset. So, this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click Next to attempt to restore this account. So click Next, enter your password. Choose Next, and now we can see the something went wrong message. So choose Next and try to sign in again. Then enter a password. And choose Next. I agree. Scroll down, choose Accept. And cool! So, thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and goodbye! See you!